Hi, Greatens. It's Mega Billy. Welcome you back to my channel. So today we'll be doing biodiversity and classification, which is the taxonomy of life. Well, taxonomy is like a scientific way of naming living organisms based on their characteristics. Then how I like to start a topic is that what do you think? What to come to mind when you think of biodiversity? So, firstly, you must know that bio means life, diversity means variety, different. So, when we combine life and variety, we can say that biodiversity is the different life is the variety of life forms that exist on earth, right? That is what we mean by biodiversity. And please take account of everything that I say in this video, because next day in grade 11, you will be doing this topic in term 1, but it will be more complex. And it actually, they won't give you the intro, the binomial system. No, you're just gonna give you what. And they think that you know it. Because let me say, for example, they're gonna give you the genus and the species name, which is the binomial system. And they will ask you the question like, why what is the genus name, what is the species name, and you don't know because you didn't listen in grade 10. So make sure that you take account of everything that I say. I'm sorry that I'm speed, because I know that I'm very, very much speed. So let me slow down. Okay. So firstly, we explained. Now we're gonna go to the history of classification. Who started it? Why? Right? So simple classification system were based on shared physical characteristics. So imagine that if they just classify based on physical characteristics, and as time goes on, we know that the number of living organisms would do what? Increased. Right? So as information increases, classification system became more complex. So there was a Swedish botanist. So if you don't know what a botanist is a person who studies plants, right? Carl classified living organisms into two kingdoms, right? So, he divided those into two kingdoms, which are the phyla for the animals, which is the phylum, and the division for the plants. So as I said, that you're gonna go deep into this topic in grade 11, because you'll be doing animal diversity, you will be talking about the phylum, and you'll be doing plants diversity, you'll be talking about the division, stuff like that, right? Then basic classification of two organisms, right? So in this case, we have lion and pine tree. These are the common examples that they use in our in caps, right? So we have kingdom, phyla or division, class, order, family, and genus, right? So how I actually like to make my learners cram it, or I would say, we have K for quieter, P people, C come, O out, F from, G Gauteng, S sat. So let's make it together. Quieter people come out from Gauteng site. You get it? Quieter people come out from family Gauteng site. Okay, let me try to show you by just by a pen. We have K, Quaito, P, people, C, come, O, out, F, from, G, Gauteng, S, site. Did you get it? It's Quaito, people, come, out, from, Gauteng, site. So Kwaito people come out from Gauteng side. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. So I hope that you get it. I hope that you get it. So in lion, the kingdom is an animalia. So we have what we call animalia and we have plantae. So you're gonna understand these two when we're going in depth in this video. So you understand at the end of what I'm talking about. So kingdom, it is Kwaito. Okay, let's recite it. Kwaito people come out from Gauteng side. Kwaito, K for kingdom. People, P for failure. Come, C for class. Out, O for order. From, F for family. Gauteng, G for genus. Site, S for species. So the kingdom of lion is animalia, since well it's an animal. Then it's phylum or phyla, since well it's a what? It's a animal. So it's gonna have a what? A phyla. We're gonna call it a phyla. Remember, plants, it's plantae, it's diversity, animals, it is phylum. Okay? So we have what you call, we have Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Chordata. So the phylum of lion is gonna be Chordata. Okay, so this video or this song you might know from TikTok. It says PC. I'm sorry. PCPAAC Porifera, C Cnidaria, P Platyhelminthes, A Annelida, A Arthropoda, C Chordata, C Chordata. Okay, let's start. PCPAAC Porifera, C Cnidaria, P Platyhelminthes, A Annelida, A Arthropoda, C Chordata, C Chordata. So after learning this song and I taught it to my learners, I taught them and added some tweaks to add the examples. And it says we have sponges, jellyfish, flatworm, roundworm, insects, and mammals. So in mammals for what? For chordata. And remember, a lion is a mammal, meaning it's a what? It's a chordata. Then its class is mammalia. Mammalia. Then its order is carnivora. Carnivora. Family is Felidae. I don't know how they pronounce it, but yeah, because we don't really do this in depth. Then the genus is Panthera. Then the species is Leo. It's Panthera leo. How us as humans we are what? Homo sapiens. Then we go to the pine tree. So the kingdom is plantae because it's a plant. Then the division is pteridophyte. Remember, when we do divisions, we just say bryophyta, pteridophyta. You know, like we just add ita at the end. Then the class is gymnospermae because of they are gymnosperms. Then they are coniferous because of they are conifers. You know, then the genus name is Pinus, and yeah, I feel like this is very easy and it's not really important. It's just an example, right? Then we have the five kingdom system. So the five kingdom system was proposed by Robert in 1969. So the living organisms, we have Monera. Monera is basically bacteria. So we have Monera, we have Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. What do we have? We have Monera, we have Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Again, we have Monera, we have Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. What do we have? We have Monera, we have Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. I know that I'm not good at singing, but I think you get the concept. So Monera is basically just bacteria. Then we have protists, fungi, planta, animalia. So we're moving on, naming of living organisms. So we know we talk about Carl, right? So Carl designed a binomial system for naming of organisms. So the first word of the name is the genus, and the second name is the species, right? As I said, you know the genus name for lion is Panthera. Then the species name is Leo. Hence, it's called Panthera leo. Then the genus is written in a capital letter, and the species is written in a small letter. So when you're typing, like when you're using a laptop, a computer, when you're typing it, you use italics. Then when you are writing it using your hand, you're gonna underline it because of, remember, you cannot write in Italian, even though you can in 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 um in education system, you must underline it. We move on, and I hope you understood. Then we're gonna go to prokaryote and eukaryote. So the prokaryotes, now they are organisms with cell with no true nuclei. Now, what I mean that by true nuclei is that the DNA is not enclosed by a membrane. Then the eukaryotes, the organisms have true nuclei. It means that the genetic material is enclosed by a nuclear membrane. So in the prokaryotes, no true organelles occur in the cytoplasm, and Monera are prokaryotes, right? So it means that the genetic material is not enclosed by a what? By a by a nuclear membrane. But when we talk about protista, fungi, planta, animalia, they are eukaryotic. Like their genetic material, which is the DNA, is or RNA. Yeah, it is enclosed by a nuclear membrane. Easy as ABC. So we have main groups of organisms, right? So group, we have Monera, we have Protista, fungi, planta, animalia. Though then we go to the cell type. So we talk that Monera is prokaryotic and the rest is eukaryotic. So if something is prokaryotic, that means what? It does not have a definite nucleus. So that means what? Monera does not have a nucleus. Then the rest they do. Then the examples we have for Monera is bacteria. Protists, we have algae, protozoa, slime molds, water molds, stuff like that. Then for fungi, the most thing is yeast, bread molds, and mushroom. And for planta, we have mosses, ferns, conifers, angiosperm, gymnosperm, Then for animalia, we have sponges, jellyfish, flatworm, roundworm, insects, mammals, all those things, you know. Then nutrition is either heterotrophic or autotrophic, but some they fall under both. So when we talk about a heterotrophic living organism, it means that it cannot produce its own food. But when we talk about autotrophic, we mean that it can produce its own food. So some bacteria, they can produce their own food, and some they can't, so they fall under both. Then some protista are autotrophic, some are heterotrophic. But fungi are heterotroph absorbers, meaning that they cannot produce their own food. And then the plantae, they are autotrophic, sorry, because of they produce their own food, and we as animals, we eat their food. Then as an animalia, we are heterotrophs. We don't produce our own food, right? So I hope that you understood, and this is all for this episode. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. It's a B, it's a G. Mega Billy signing out. Love you all. Mwah! And make sure that you share this video with your friends. Guys, engage, man, engage. Let's pop this video. Let's pop this channel. Nah, love you guys, and I hope that you really understood. And if you want clarity, comment down below. No one is gonna threaten you. No one is gonna fight with you. Comment down below. I'll be reading your comments. Love you, love you guys.